Visitors recently witnessed the eruption of Steamboat Geyser in Yellowstone National Park, a once-in-a-lifetime event, but also a nightmare for anyone near the world's tallest active geyser. Authorities continue to remind visitors to exercise caution, as no one can predict when the next eruption will occur. A giant volcano lies beneath the western United States. For the past 70,000 years, the volcano has been largely quiet. If this situation changes, the impact could be devastating. This supervolcano lies beneath Yellowstone National Park, a large park that spans Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana. The volcano itself is in northwestern Wyoming. About 6 to 10 kilometers, 4 to 6 miles, underground lies a large chamber filled with magma, or molten rock. Volcanologists, or scientists who study volcanoes, have been observing this supervolcano since 1923. Recently, the volcano has been more active than usual. Some scientists wonder if this means it will soon erupt. A volcanic eruption of this magnitude can cause serious damage. Other experts say there is no need to worry. Dr. Jacob Lowenstern, the lead scientist in charge of the Yellowstone volcano, says the volcano is currently dormant, meaning it is exhibiting a low level of activity. Underground activity is common in the area. Yellowstone experiences an average of 1,000 to 3,000 earthquakes each year. Most of these large earthquakes are so small that they go unnoticed. Because earthquakes and volcanoes are closely related, these tremors could indicate something is happening inside the supervolcano. Although volcanic activity has increased recently, scientists are not confident the volcano will erupt anytime soon. However, eruptions don't always happen silently. Geological evidence indicates that Yellowstone has experienced 3 major eruptions in the past 2.1 million years. These eruptions occurred approximately 600,000 to 800,000 years apart. The Yellowstone supervolcano collapsed on itself after each of these major eruptions, sucking trees, boulders, and even mountains into the resulting crater. This hole is called a caldera. The Yellowstone caldera is currently 48 kilometers wide and 72 kilometers long. Each eruption released large amounts of volcanic ash, gas, and magma into the air. Its debris covers much of the continental United States. Some debris has even been found as far away as Louisiana. Yellowstone's last major eruption occurred about 640,000 years ago. It sent so much debris into the air that it blocked out sunlight across much of the continent. Rivers of lava, rock, and ash, called pyroclastic flows, swept through the region. Magma erupted from the ground and scorched the landscape. Scientists say the eruption was 1,000 times more powerful than the 1,980 eruption of Mount St. Helens, which killed 56 people and thousands of animals. It also scorched hundreds of kilometers of land in Washington and Oregon. The United States Geological Survey, a government science group that studies the Earth, agrees that the likelihood of another Yellowstone volcano eruption is very low. Instead, they believe volcanic activity could lead to smaller eruptions. Underground heat could cause steam or hot air to erupt from the Earth. This can also result in lava flows or slow-moving rivers of lava that seep out of the ground over days, months, or years. Lava flows are much less destructive than large eruptions and are also quite rare. The last lava flow in Yellowstone occurred about 70,000 years ago. Since then, these flows have formed layers of rock. Evidence of lava flows can be found near the Old Faithful Cliff, Old Faithful is a geyser, a tall column of hot air and steam heated by underground magma. This geyser erupts every 45 minutes to 2 hours and is one of Yellowstone's most popular tourist attractions.